Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to be going over and showing you how to install our new Elite Series fog lamps on this 2019 Ford Ranger. Our Elite Series fog lamps were designed to be the first OE-style fog lamp that provide a true upgrade in performance while also giving your Ranger a more modern and aggressive look compared to the chrome factory fog lamps. Our Elite Series fog lamps are the widest aftermarket fog lamp on the market, producing an industry-leading 80-degree spread. What really sets these lamps apart is our patent-pending optic, which delivers an extremely sharp cutoff that meets SAE F3 standards and features a unique BMW-style color banding. When you combine this with the multi-die automotive emitters inside, Elite Series fogs provide 157% more output than the Ranger's factory lamps. Our Elite Series fog lamps are available in two different color options, a 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow. All of our Elite Series fogs come standard with a distinctive amber backlight. This gives you an additional accent light along with the main beam for a unique modern look. You'll notice that our Elite Series fog lamps are constructed using OEM-grade materials, including a precision aluminum casting, a UV-coated outer lens, and a copper PCB inside. We're proud to say that these lamps are not imported. Unlike other options in the market, these were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are backed with an industry-leading 8-year warranty. Our engineers CAD designed these to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment with integrated aiming adjustment and no assembly or modification required. Let's get them installed. We're going to be starting our installation under the bumper on the driver's side of the vehicle. You're going to want to grab yourselves a T25 socket and a ratchet. We're using a ratchet with a flex head. You may be able to get away without using one of these, but it does make the process easier. Coming from underneath the vehicle, our first step is to disconnect our factory fog light harness. Now we can remove the 4 T25 screws that hold the factory fog light onto the back of the bumper. 3 of these are easy to access, but the 4th is in a tight space that we can't show you on camera. With that removed, we can install our Elite Series fog lamp by reusing the same factory T25 screws. Now we can grab our provided harness and plug the DT connector into the back of the lamp. Then we can plug the other end into the factory fog light harness. If it doesn't come on, don't worry, just flip the connector 180 degrees. Now we can find a place to tap our backlight wiring. There's plenty of different areas in the engine bay that we can do this. However, for our application, we're going to be using the side marker wiring. To get to our side marker wiring, we're going to peel back the fender liner in this section and then unplug our side marker. With our side marker wiring unplugged, we can now tap our backlight wire into the side marker power wire. So what we're going to want to do is expose some more wire by pulling back this sheathing. Our power wire that we're tapping into on the driver's side is an orange and green wire, and on the passenger side it's a brown and yellow wire. Now we can clamp our T-tap onto our power wire and then secure it down with a pair of needle nose pliers. Now we can plug our backlight wire into our T-tap and then reinstall our side marker harness. Now we can repeat the same steps we used to install this side on the other side of the vehicle and make our final aiming adjustments. To do this, we're going to grab a Phillips head screwdriver. To raise our lights, we're going to turn the integrated adjustment screw clockwise, and to lower them, we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Finally, we can secure up any excess wiring away from any hot or moving parts using a zip tie, and then pop our fender liner back on. With our new Elite Series fogs installed, not only will you benefit from the increase in performance, but you'll also have a new aggressive style to your Ranger. If you're looking to pick up a pair of Elite Series fog lamps for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you're looking to stay up to date on any of our new products, make sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell below. Thanks for watching.